Hi everyone, how are you all? And welcome back to Hunter channel. Uh, I got a great indicator for MT4, which is used for Forex. So I I am using it for a binary option. So you can use it for Forex, and also you can use it for binary pocket option or any other IQ option Cortex you can use it for. Okay, so this indicator which I got and installed, this indicator I'm using it for binary option. It's I take the trade. I'm waiting for a signal, so it gave me a signal like this. It's a buy signal, so I took the trade here for I will take the trade here for 10 m. Okay, 10 minutes. So there is the this is like this indicator, and it's give a signal, and it is giving a great signal. I use it for Forex also, and I use it for binary option also. So I am waiting for a trade. I opened here some pairs, and also I opened here also these pairs here also. When I got a signal, it's indicate and sound and alerted, so then I will take the trade, for example. Okay guys, so wait for a signal. Guys, I found a signal AUDCHF, so I open chart AUDCHF. Signal is the sell. Here is the verified support. AUDCHF. It should be a downtrend. So I took trade here over for 10 minutes. This indicator, uh, guys, this indicator its cost is 50 USD, but I will give it to everyone. It's for free. So who want this indicator, contact me on my Telegram and DM me, then I will send it to them free. Okay, guys, it's free for everyone. So let's see the result. I've taken the page here. So let's see the result. Guys, there is a perfect signal by this indicator, uh, this MT4 indicator, and there is we took the trade here, and it's go down here, and we took our money. So let's find the another signal. So guys, you should take the limited trade daily, like 4, 3 to 5 signals. Just take the 3 to 5 trades daily per day. No more. If you lose two in a row, so close the that day trade, or come in another day and uh, three or four or five trades you should take. Okay, guys. So let's find the another trade. I repeat, who want this indicator? It's free of cost for everyone who want this. Kindly contact me on my Telegram, so I will give there for free. Okay, guys. So let's find the another signal. Wait for a signal, guys. Uh, Indicator gave a signal. GBP cat buy. So I am open. Okay, GBP cat buy. GBP cat. There is cat. This is GBP cat. I will. I have put the trade here for 10 up. So let's see the result. Guys, here is the money for this trade is in our favor. So let's find our last today's last trade or last signal. Waiting for a last signal. Okay, guys. Guys, find signal sketch JPY. So open the CHF chart. It's telling a sale signal here. So it should be here down. So I will go to CHF JPY chart on oh, this pair is very low percentage, so we should avoid it. Oh no. Oh, very bad situation here. Mhm. It's increasing payout also, and there is a very oh no. So avoid this signal and wait found and another GBP cat GBP cat sale. So I should open the GBP cat a GBP. Oh, very low percentage. So avoid this one also. AUDCHF also. Signal is AUDCHF. So AUDCHF, the tail signal, here JPY, it's buy signal, AUD, AUDCHF, AUDCHF, it's tail, AUDCHF. I am taking trade here for 10 and put. So let's see the result. Guys, here is a clear money and clear profitable deal. So let's enough for today. So I am taking the trades daily 3 to 5. If consecutively 3 wins, so I close the trade, or otherwise I take the trade 5. And when I lose 2 losses, uh, also I take the trade 5 deals. Okay, so I am giving a signal, free signal. So kindly contact me on Telegram. So I will add my live free trading signals. Hey guys, so see you in next video. Thank you.